Well, boys, once more unto the breach I say, we charge into battle. This message is for the ladies and gentlemen, literally. I got some good news. So, as you may know, and if you don't know, I'll tell you right now, I drive a school bus for my job. And now that this is not, it's sort of related, but the cause is not because of the video I made a little while ago about how one of the kids on my bus was spreading some BS rumor about me. Unrelated. I'm not afraid to tackle things like that head on. And I did tackle it head on, but it came out of necessity and very good timing. So where I work, we've got like 20 something buses. Both our lead tech and our like ground mechanic are leaving. The lead tech is going to another shop closer to his house, and the oh no, look, that's rain. You might not be able to see it. Oh, I mean, excuse me, shoot. I'm not dressed for rain. The weatherman said it wouldn't rain until, oh no. Oh no. Well, boys, once more unto the breach I say, we charge into battle. I need to stop cussing. Sorry. I'll have to beep it out. It takes a long time. One of my videos took me 20 minutes to freaking beep everything out. Anyway, our lead tech is dipping. Our normal tech is dipping, joining the chair force. And I need more money. And it's not like Terrence and Phillip where I need, give us some of that internet money. We need more money. I'm going and applying. And I did apply. It's not 100%, about 90% chance that I got this job. There's no other contenders, it's just me applying for it. The guy that they did hire, there's a new hire in that position now, but his lack of computer skills is his downfall. He can't figure out work requests, orders, the program that tracks mileage and such. But guess who does know how to do that? This guy. This guy. I was a diesel technician in the Marine Corps. I did some publications and pubs and plims stuff. I did some GCSS, WebCliss, and FedLog, if you're familiar. So, I'm familiar. Now, obviously, I don't know their program, but... So, I applied just for the maintenance role, and I was talking to my boss about it, and he's like, bro, do you want to apply for the freaking dang TIC? I'm like, yeah, man. Yeah, dude. I absolutely do. And so I did. He's like, alright, bet, because this is not working out. I'm like, oh, well, I'm sorry to hear that. He's like, I'd rather have someone I can actually get along with and not have to worry about personality conflicts than the old dude with the freaking Velcro chest. I tell you what, dude, this guy, And this is nothing bad about this dude. It's just kind of like reading the room. The maintenance guys have a uniform they wear. And if you've ever seen a tow truck, it's that type. Dark blue, navy blue with reflective tape sewn in. And he wears it like, but he wears it like an old dude. He buttons it up halfway, you know, like up to his sternum, and leaves the frickin' thing open. I wasn't gonna cuss, I said front and frickin' at the same time. But he leaves the dang thing open, you know, buttoned up halfway with his chest hair hanging out. And it's like, you know, for the younger crowd, you know, anyone under 40, we don't mess around with that. We don't do that. Like, that's just not something that is acceptable. I have an upside down flag on my backpack. So whenever I see someone with an upside down flag, I'm into it. What was I saying? Oh, right. So he's old, he's got white hair, he's got white chest hair, and it just hangs out, dude. And I just call him white Velcro, you know? It's just like, yo, bro. Like the old Betties in there, I bet they might get a kick out of it. You know, they might dig it. But, yeah. Sorry, dude. Alice in Chains isn't popular anymore. Dude's going to a Pink Floyd concert tonight. Maybe. He would. So anyway, I'm taking that role. It's basically official. Actually, it is. I would say it's pretty much official. I got a message today stating that my job title will change on Monday. So that's pretty radical in my opinion. Literally. We need to get to work before this rain kicks in, bro. It's all around us, so it's over there. Looks like it's over there about 15 miles. Between 5 and 15 miles. And it's behind us about, 5 to 15 miles, somewhere out that way. And I'm wearing jeans with nothing underneath. Oh, these jeans are so dumb. Do you see this, like, line right here? These pockets are so deep. You know, it's like they took all the extra pockets from like ladies' jeans and they put them in this pair. I've got so much pocket space. It goes to my god dang middle of my forearm. I shit you not. God dang it. I kid you not. It goes to here on me. And that's a little too much pocket, bro, to be honest. I'm all about pockets. Pockets are good. You can put things in pockets. I could put my fish oil pills in there like Togi. I could put an extra Beyblade for when I want to play Beyblade with my boys, you know? You guys remember Beyblade? You old enough for that? Actually, take that back. I think Beyblade never really went all the way away. But I remember when it first came out, and the toys just came out, and they sold these giant bowls that you could freaking, you know... What did they say? Let it rip. So we could let it rip, and you'd rip the cord, and you'd send your freaking top down in there. Really fun concept, but honestly kind of a dumb thing. Yo, look at that. It just got dark over there. Bro, look at that. Scary. Oh, my neck's cramping. So yeah, and you know, when I was talking about, so my manager's a, you know, military guy. I'm a military guy. And, you know, when you see the world for what it actually is, you kind of lose your ability to take anything all that seriously. At least for my generation. He's roughly the same age as I am, my manager, my boss. And we have the same outlook. It's like, dude, why are we being all serious? you know, relax. Can we chill? Stop being so serious. But when it's time to get down, we get down. You know, like when it's time to boogie and put your head down and get the work done, the work gets done. So I was talking to him about that today, and my dispatcher already, she also knows that. She knows sorry, that's just disgusting. That Jabba the Hutt freaking sliding down the sidewalk over there. She gets it, you know, because I'm reliable. I'm extremely reliable when it comes to work. You need me in at 2 in the morning, I'm there. Because we got to go up to the top of the mountain to make sure that, you know, there's no snow or whatever. I'm in, but not there at 2. I'm there at 3, up at 2. Which is hard to do, man, because sometimes I don't fall asleep till 10. And on nights that I can't sleep, I might get 2 hours of sleep. Not exactly bueno, and I'm not feeling super bonita the next morning, but... So anyway, I'm pretty excited. I technically start on Monday, but, you know, there's some stuff that we have to do. There's some stuff we have to take care of. So I might not start for about I don't know, probably a month. I'll slowly integrate into it a little bit. It's not the end of the world. Our current TIC is there about 2 days a week. So, oh my God, all over the place. Alright, well, I just want to share that news with you. And tell you about my stupid pockets, how big they are. So big. I hope you're having a super great day. And if it's not great, I hope it gets better, so you can end it on a positive note. Just remember that I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.